Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper of Tuesday, April the 26th, because in today's newspaper there's no extra additional. No, it's the additional of Monday, edition of Monday, April the 25th, 2022, yes. We have one puzzle left, the Tectonic with 1 star, because the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. I've just solved those 2 puzzles, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Before, no, this will be number 4464. 4464. Alright, 4464. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question, do we have single box? No single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes, I see here, dual box there, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in here, so this should be a 1. Here, the 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. Triple boxes, do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes, I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers. Here also a quadra box. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Okay. Here also a quadra box. The 3 is already filled in. I need more information, otherwise I cannot fill those boxes. Okay, next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Of course, it's a 2. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me do this here. Alright. You see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Only one shape, I see. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 shapes out of 6. There are maximum 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. but not in this puzzle. This puzzle has only 3 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 5. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3. This box can be a 3. Wait, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. Well, I don't think this should be a 1 because this box is connected with that box. Then it should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So that box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Okay, connected with that box should be also a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround a 3. Can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Then, let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can't be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 4. 1, we have a double 1 there. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. That means 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can be 2 and a 3, can be a 4, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Wait. Then. Let me think. 1 and a 5. I need a 3 in this area. This is reserved for the 1 and a 5. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So now we have a pair 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra L shape should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Okay. Yeah. 1 and a 4. I'm thinking. Double 2. We have a 2 here. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Okay. A lot of 1 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. In the quadra area, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra area for numbers 1 and 2. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think. Yeah. 1. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1. should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? It's in the same area. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers are 1 and 4 again. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Finish in 60 minutes. A little bit slower, but I'm pleased. Thank you very much for watching again, and we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. It's King's Day, so a lot of celebration and festivals. Well, I don't know if I'm in the mood with the puzzles. Who knows? We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.